Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Peugeot 508, a sedan that's turning heads with its stylish design and impressive performance. Let's start with the exterior. The 508 showcases a sleek silhouette that blends elegance with a sporty edge. The sharp lines and distinctive LED headlights give it a modern look that stands out on the road. The front grille is bold yet refined, perfectly framing the Peugeot badge. Moving to the rear, the taillights have a striking design that enhances its sporty character. Now let's hop inside and explore the interior. The cabin of the 508 is a blend of comfort and technology. High-quality materials are evident throughout, creating a luxurious feel. The dashboard features a minimalist design with a digital cockpit that's fully customizable. The infotainment system is user-friendly, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Seats are plush and supportive, offering ample space for both front and rear passengers. The ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, making night drives even more enjoyable. When it comes to performance, the 2025 508 does not disappoint. Under the hood, you'll find a range of engines, including efficient petrol and diesel options, as well as a hybrid variant for those looking to be more eco-friendly. The driving experience is engaging, with precise steering and a well-tuned suspension that balances comfort and sportiness. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the 508 feels responsive and agile. As for pricing, the 2025 Peugeot 508 starts around insert starting price, which offers excellent value given its premium features and performance capabilities. Higher trims will take you up to insert higher price, but the added features are well worth considering for those wanting a more luxurious experience. Overall, the 2025 Peugeot 508 impresses with its combination of style, comfort, and performance. If you're in the market for a sedan that delivers on all fronts, this might just be the one for you. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.